Hello guys, it's your favorite girl Sylvia Oye, and today I'm coming your way with another exciting hair growth product, and we are going to be doing that from the comfort of our home with our spices. So on this channel I teach you how to grow hair with spices and herbs, and also sometimes we talk about happening in my life, entertainment and my lifestyle, and we get to talk about relationships sometimes, which is new. I'm going to bring later, but right now we are focusing on the hair growth product. So if you're new to this channel and you are interested in all the things I've talked about, please don't forget to click on the subscription button and also click on the notification so you don't miss any video from me. But if you're already a G, you are welcome back to our channel. This is the channel we all own. You're welcome back. Don't forget to like, share, leave a comment down in the comment section so I can interact with you. Thank you very much. So today we are going to be using our popular zobo, which the Nigerians call it, and in Ghana we call it sobolo leaves, the hibiscus flowers. We are going to be using the hibiscus flowers and the popular fenugreek seed. So if you are already a member or you've been on YouTube and you've been watching hair growth products from other YouTubers, you should know that sobolo and fenugreek seed are very good for our hair, but then how to use it is the problem. So today I'm going to teach you how to do a simple hairspray or hair rinse from it. So to do that, you need to put your water on fire, let it boil, then you add your fenugreek, then the zobo, the sobolo or the hibiscus flower to it. Allow it to boil very well till the color turns red like blood. Yeah, when you see that blood, you should know that your product or your spray is ready. All you have to do is sieve it hot or warm, however you like it. But if your hair is low porosity, please, when it's warm, sieve it and use it on your hair. So what we are going to be adding next is grinded fenugreek seed. So I was doing another video too, so I just grinded some fenugreek seed, which I have in my last video. I'm going to add that card on this video so you'll be able to see how I blended my fenugreek seed. Then after blending it, I added the paste to the water and it became very creamy. So before we do that, let's add some few drops of castor oil. So guys, this is our juice after adding the blended fenugreek seed. This is how it looks. I'm sorry I did that off camera because I didn't want to film it, but after I realized that I have to show you guys how I did it, so I brought the finished product here. So guys, this is all I have for you today, until I see you guys in my other video with another exciting video idea, another game-changing video idea. Please don't forget to share and like. Bye.